I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so start by opening Outlook 365 and go straight to Mail. Once the folder list loads, make sure you can see Inbox and Filters. This lets you run searches. If Focused Inbox is enabled, turn it off now to avoid missing messages across tabs. Next, use the search box at the top. This is where you'll target unread mail. Make sure search scope is set to current mailbox or all mailboxes, depending on how many accounts you manage. Now run the unread search. Type is unread in the search bar or click the unread filter button. Both show why certain messages appear. Once done, adjust the scope to current mailbox or all mailboxes depending on whether you want a single account or every account. If you need specifics, add sender, subject, or folder name to narrow results. For example, add from boss at example.com. Make sure sorting is by date, so the newest unread messages surface first, and you can triage efficiently. Finish by processing unread items. Select multiple messages and mark as read, move them to folders, or flag for follow-up so your inbox shows only what needs action. Once done, create a rule or sweep to automatically sort similar incoming mail and reduce future unread clutter. If you don't see expected unread messages, make sure folders are fully synced and rebuild the search index. If using Outlook on the web, clear browser cache. This fixes most issues and keeps unread searches accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.